Hey guys, I just want to quickly explain our FAQ page and how it can help you. So, if you have questions about how things works, the FAQ page is the first place you should check. So we have answered the most common questions here, like what this platform is about, how to create an account, and whatever the service is free to use. If you forget your password or you are not sure how subscription works, you will also find a clear answer in the FAQ page. Um, so we made here uh, basically the page that can user don't have to wait for support or search around the website. It also explains how we protected users' personal information and how you can contact support if you still need help. So before you reach out to the support, users can check the FAQ page first, and there's a good chance your question is already answered or there. So also include here for users some forum right here. If you have questions that it's not listed here, feel free to contact our support team. So you provide here email or basically the web forum that user can input question, and then your support team can answer that. So this is basically the whole point of FAQ page. It can be really useful for users around the web pages and everywhere else. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.